back to Lucian in the kitchen! I know you guys don't mind my nonsense sometimes. Welcome back to Lucian in the kitchen, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're regular, welcome back. Yeah? Thank you for being my audience today. I'm not cutting. We're going straight in the video. Alright? No one take, two take. Anyways, back to the video. Today we're gonna be doing some quinoa. Yeah? A lot of people don't like quinoa. My mother loves quinoa, but she doesn't like this one. But I don't care. I'm gonna eat it. When you're hungry, you can eat anything. So I'm gonna make some quinoa. So quinoa, a lot of people say it doesn't taste good, but you know you gotta add some stuff to make it right, right? So we're gonna be doing some quinoa with some lentils. Yeah? So lentils, I already have my lentils soaking. You know it's always good to soak your peas before you cook it. Yeah? Some corn. Some pomegranate. You'll see when it goes in. Some pomegranate. And I was gonna fry this, but I might add it in there. I don't know, but yeah, this is the type of plantain you fry. You see how it's black? You fry that one. So yeah, I'm gonna fry that one. But stay tuned, yeah? Lucian in the kitchen. Quinoa. So I'm gonna add my peas to boil in the meantime, you know? I'm gonna add my peas to boil. I'm gonna wash my quinoa. I'm gonna peel my pomegranate. I'm gonna open my kind of this, you know, peel this. Stay tuned, yeah? Lucian in the kitchen. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, lentils is boiling. I washed my quinoa. I'm gonna add it in. And I'm not gonna put a lot in there, but yeah. Stir that up. Nice catch, nice catch. I'm gonna let that boil and do its thing, and I'm gonna show you how to peel a pomegranate. Yeah? Pomegranate. I don't know if you don't know what it is, Google it, you'll see what it is. It's a tropical fruit. It grows in the sun. First you just cut around here. Right? And boom. Some lines down here. Yeah. This pops off. And then you come like this. This one's been there for a while, so it's a bit old. It's not gonna really do what I need, but just peel off the red meat. I mean the red fruit, sorry. Yeah, the little seeds right there. Yeah. I'm gonna finish peeling that. Stay tuned, yeah? Lucian in the kitchen. Big up the boss, Daniel. Yeah? I'm gonna finish peeling that. See you guys in a bit. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my quinoa is cooking. It's my first time making this quinoa. I think I add too much water, but yeah. My quinoa is cooking. I added a cube in there. Added a maggie cube. It's looking like it's coming along. They said to cook it like rice. I'm gonna add my corn now. Yeah. I'm gonna mix that up. Kill that. Kill that. Big up. Shout out to Zalifa. Yeah, Zalifa, big up yourself. I hope you learned something today, Zalifa. Okay? We're making quinoa today, Zalifa. Yeah? I hope I said the name right. Yeah, you know what? Just add all the corn. Zalifa, we're trying to be on a diet, so you know we're trying to do the healthy way. Get our summer body in the way. Okay? Big up yourself, Zulifa. And shout out to Debbie and Al. I forgot the pot you guys got me in the trunk, so I'm not using it today. That's the only reason. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? The next video, I'm gonna show them my nice pot I got from my subscriber, Debbie and Al. But today, quinoa. Okay, our quinoa, low heat, it's boiling. Let that do its thing, yeah. And now we're gonna fry our plantain, yeah. Fry plantain time. My oil should be hot already, but testing. I'm not gonna drop it. Come on now. Is it hot? My oil no hot. Why no hot? Okay, we gotta get the oil 5 minutes. See you in a bit, okay? Yes, folks. As I said, quinoa is doing its thing. Time to fry my plantain. So basically, the plantain is gonna be like the chicken or the fish or the, you know. It's a veggie meal tonight, vegan, you know. Trying to be on that healthy kick, you know. Summer's coming. People got big bellies around here we need to get rid of, you know. Yeah, man. So I'm trying to eat some healthy stuff. Plus I have locks on my head. They say I'm a rast. Oh wait, let me see you. I don't think you look good, you know. I don't like you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys learning something, you know. I'm cooking something new. I hope you learn something new too. It's new to me. This is like, you know, this is a meal. A lot of people make quinoa, but I don't think they've ever made it like that. Yeah. Let my plantain fry. I just need my quinoa to dry up a bit. It's a little bit too wet for me. You see, I thought I cooked a little bit of quinoa. Look at all that. It's just like rice, man. I thought I cooked a little bit and look how it swelled up like rice. So it's actually almost like rice. You see that? Look at how the quinoa just poof. I put a tiny bit. I just want the water to dissolve, you know? Hmm? Not much seasoning in here, just 1 cube. That's it. Quinoa is doing his business. Plantain is frying. Lucian in the kitchen. Stay tuned. Oh, wait, before we go. Pomegranate. Peeled. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, so my quinoa, right? My quinoa is a mixture of my mother's recipe. I'm gonna use my mother's recipe and my vegan friend's recipe, but like where after I boil this, right, I'm supposed to let it cool down and add the pomegranate. But like this tastes so good, like on its own, it doesn't even need the pomegranate. So we are not gonna be using the pomegranate tonight. Like this is just perfect like that. Lentils, quinoa, corn, and one cube, one square Maggie cube. That's it. That tastes so amazing. I don't even need pomegranate. And people who know me, they know I love my pomegranate in my quinoa. And over here, our plantain is already fried. Yeah? Stay tuned, yeah? Okay. And I'm gonna add some avocado. But anyways, I'm gonna plate it for you guys now. But like this is so good like this. It does not need any pomegranate, because like the pomegranate would add like a sweetening agent to it, because sometimes the quinoa is bitter. And mama, my mother, if you are watching this, trust me, this quinoa is amazing. You give it to me like I don't like that one. This quinoa is amazing. Like that. I love it. I love it very much. Yeah, we're gonna add, you know, vegan, vegan, you know. Boom. So the plantain is like our veggie, our meat, but it's vegetables. You know, boom. Yeah. Then avocado. Cross your fingers. Hope the avocado is good inside. This is Canada, and sometimes it's a hit or a miss. What do you guys think? Is it good? Is it not good? In 3, 2, 1. Oh wow! Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I like it. I like it. I like what I see. Zalifa, you should try that. This is very good Zalifa. Ask Kelda when you see her. Ask her. She'll tell you. It was amazing. She is the first time she's eating that. She doesn't even like quinoa. And she tasted it and boom. She loved it. Our avocado or avocado. You know what? I put avocado this side. Boom. Shakalaka. Boom. Avocado has a little bobo. Take it out. You know what? Don't play with me, avocado. Don't play with me, avocado. One avocado. Two avocado. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. My dinner. Some quinoa with some plantain, some lentils, some corn, and avocado. Nothing too fancy with the plating, but boom. Lucian in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you learned something. Okay? I hope you learned something again today. Quinoa. Look at the quinoa. Pretty quinoa. Delicious. Have a good evening. Stay safe out there, guys. And also, if you are in the position to help the volcano victims in St. Vincent, don't forget to, you know, donate whatever you can. Thank you. Pray for St. Vincent. Guys, I changed my mind. I added the pomegranate because, like, you know, since I already peeled it, but I'm gonna make a smoothie with that pomegranate. Look out for that pomegranate smoothie, okay? The rest is there. I'm gonna add it to a smoothie. But yeah, it's the final meal, man. Okay, pomegranate, quinoa with lentils and corn, avocado, fried plantain. This one in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.